Hey, what's up guys? Ashton Stark here. That means you guys are the A-team. Welcome back to another awesome day. And as you guys know, if you watched yesterday's vlog, we've had a level 3 snowstorm going on. And we had some fun yesterday in yesterday's vlog. Rode on top of a Jeep, got some pizza, driving through a blizzard. So that was pretty fun. If you haven't seen that, you definitely want to go check that out and slap a like on it right now. Anyways, so what we're doing today is, since we thought we'd take advantage of the snow since we haven't been getting much of it recently. I think this is the only snowstorm or even snow that we've gotten in the last couple months. But what we're gonna basically do is, we got a sled in the back, all right? We got some high, whatever, what's the word?
Heavy duty.
And do what?
Heavy duty.
We got some heavy duty rope here. Sled, heavy duty rope, Jeep. You guys can probably guess what we're gonna do. So we're gonna go ahead, try to find a nice open road with a lot of snow on it, and then we're gonna get to work. So I guess we're gonna just look around for some time, and then we'll let you guys know. See ya there. Now, if we're recording in this car and you find yourself hearing a little noise in the background, that is because our videographer over here recently got this thing. So it's basically a Christmas toilet friend, I guess you could call it. It basically makes a bunch of jokes about, you know, going to the bathroom and Christmas. So I gotta put that seatbelt on. Safety first, guys. Anyways, it makes a bunch of jokes about going to the bathroom related to Christmas, and it doesn't shut up. It's motion detected, and I don't think it's turned off in 6 hours, guys. And we don't have a screwdriver, so we can't take the battery out, so we might just throw this thing out the window soon. All right, let's go. Let's go find a place. Alright guys, so we found our location to do this. We're gonna do it on this road right here because it's kind of out of the way and it's not in traffic or anything. We got our sled set up. We got our rope tied to our Jeep, which Kyle is going to be driving and hopefully not kill me. That is the goal. Where's the drone? The drone we got set up right over there. So hopefully we can get some nice action shots going. I'll hold this when I use the sled. There's a camera in the back of the trunk to record a little bit of that action from the car. And other than that, I think we're set to go. So let's go ahead and try this out. Okay guys, we are in the sled, holding on for dear life. Hopefully this goes well. We never know. So thanks for tuning in to Ashton Stark Vlogs. Make sure you're subscribed, smack that subscribe button, and let's see how this goes, guys. Is there a place I could sit? I wonder if I could put this to my foot. Hold on. Alright guys, it's currently attached to my leg, so I don't have to hold it and I can put 2 hands on. You ready? Ready, Kyle? All right, Kyle's setting up the drone, making sure it's recording. Guys, I'm gonna tell you, this is gonna be interesting. I have a feeling this is gonna take multiple tries. It's a little bit cold out here, not gonna lie. Thank God I got this nice warm Canada Goose jacket. Check out 2 vlogs ago, I believe, when we unboxed it. Came with a lot of cool information, so you definitely want to check that out. Just gonna sit here and talk a little bit while Kyle figures it out. What's going on? What? Slide up in the hair higher. It's what? It's got it? All right, hopefully we got this now. Oh boy. All right, I see the car's lights coming on. You ready? All right, give it a go. Oh, car's moving, oh, car's moving. Oh God, go, go, go. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Oh! Oh my God! Get back to the car! Oh my God! Oh God! I need a break, guys. All right, what is up, guys? I hope you guys enjoyed our little snowing adventure that we did here. A little bit sledding tied to a Jeep. You can see our whole setup here in case you want to try it on your own. I don't recommend that, as you probably saw in the video. Kyle actually did it. We didn't get it on video, but Kyle, you want to talk about your experience?
It was good, except I couldn't see anything because I didn't have the glasses.
And then he fell right there. He didn't even make it the whole way. All right. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. As always, you guys are the A-team. I am Ashton Stark. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Pretend that subscribe button is a Nazi and you don't want the Nazis to win, so make sure you just pummel that subscribe button. I will see you guys tomorrow because we are doing this every single day.